Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken bacon ranch quesadillas. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of cooked chicken, which you can shred or dice. Next, cook 4 to 6 strips of bacon until it's nice and crispy, then crumble it into small pieces. Finally, have 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, and some ranch dressing on hand. Now, let's get that delicious filling ready. In a medium bowl, combine your shredded chicken and the crumbled crispy bacon. Next, add about 1/4 cup of ranch dressing to the mixture. Stir everything together really well, making sure the chicken and bacon are evenly coated with the creamy ranch. This step ensures every bite of your quesadilla will be packed with flavor. It's time to assemble and cook your quesadillas. Lightly oil a non-stick pan and place it over medium heat. Lay 1 large tortilla flat in the pan. Sprinkle about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese over 1/2 of the tortilla. Then, spoon a generous amount of your chicken bacon ranch filling onto the cheesy side. Fold the other half of the tortilla over, pressing down gently. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and the cheese is melted. Your amazing chicken bacon ranch quesadillas are ready. Carefully remove them from the pan and slice each one into 2 or 3 wedges. They are best served hot, so enjoy them right away. You can offer extra ranch dressing, salsa, or even guacamole on the side for dipping. These make a fantastic quick meal or a fun appetizer for any gathering. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.